Hey everybody, this is Christian from Charles Mills Writing Center, and today we're going to do another video on how to edit charts in Google Sheets. But what we're going to do now is we're going to do something with two sets of data. In the previous video, we did something with one set of data. We used this set of data to create this particular chart right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this set of data here to create a different chart, right? So we have 2 weeks worth of data in this. So in week one, we worked the same hours as before, right? And then week two, we worked a slightly different number of hours, and we're going to compare them in the same graph, of course, but it's going to end up looking something like this. Now, what I did in this video, or what I did for this, is I just took this set of data, right? Insert chart, and it gave me this. And then I just did, basically, I went through and did the same editing as this chart up here to create this chart, right? But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to use this for some different charts, right? So we'll do two different charts. So if you want to make another chart, you click on it, Command C to copy it, and then Command V to paste it. And then you have another chart with the same data set. And then you can edit them differently. So for this chart, I'm going to edit chart. We're going to make it into a line chart, right? So this is a line chart. We have two data sets. I'm not going to get too fancy in how we're doing this. But I want to, let's say maybe I just want to change the I'm going to change the color, right? So I click on this series right here, line color, let's make it green, like a dark green. There we go. I like that, right? So now I can tell Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I see for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the red line is on top. So I know that I worked more during week two. And then for Thursday and Friday, the green line is on top. So I know that I worked more during week one. Now, for this one, I'm going to do pretty much the same thing, but we're going to use an area chart, right? Okay, and I'm going to also change this to green. Okay, so same thing, but it's just more prominent, right? Now, if I were to do this, maybe with a different set of data, and it's maybe something like I don't know, if we're using a different data set, it might make more sense because there might be some sort of data sets in which the crossover is important, right? Right now, this doesn't really make too much sense. But let's say I was looking at something in the financial world, right? And I want to find out at what time exactly this particular stock, um, if I'm comparing two stock values, right? What time, what point in time this stock became more valuable than this other stock, right? I can look at the values of the two stocks and I can see at what point in time they crossed over. So that would be the point in which they're equal in value. And then anything after that, the one that was previously higher will be lower, and the one that was previously lower will be higher. So it's all about context, right? For this particular context, I probably don't need to know when they cross over, but these are just different ways to visually represent um, multiple sets of data. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. And thank you for watching. Take care, and we'll show you some more interesting tips in the next video. All right, see you later.